Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. We've heard two different stories in our readings today, but wanting us to face this singular reality that when God wills, we win. If we control, we tend or it's on our way for us to lose the battle. In our first reading today, we've heard how Israel faced two strong defeats against the Philistines. And another, wanting their control for them to win, was that to bring the Ark of the Covenant with them. Sabi nga po ng ilang mga pantas o ng ilang mga komentaryo, they were as if wanting to have the Ark of the Covenant as their lucky charm so that they can win the battle. But because they controlled their sense of their direction, their way how to attack the Philistines, all the more they lost. All the more they face that with their own control, they lose the battle. But beautifully in today's gospel, a leper came to Jesus with that specific clause I wish us to remind ourselves, beginning his statement with the words, "If you wish, you can make me clean." Kung nais niyo po, pagalingin niyo po ako. And Jesus promptly, straightforwardly told this man, "I do will it." Nais ko na gumaling ka. And because God, Jesus willed the healing of this man, the man was healed. The man definitely experienced winning. When God wills, we win. When we control, it's our way to our own defeat or we lose the battle. Maybe a lot of us are thinking of moments that we also see how life turns out to our losing streak. Hindi naman po sa mga panahon na may mga tayo ay nasa gera din, pero sa madaming pagkakataon, nabibigo tayo, natatalo tayo, at bumabagsak tayo. But it is for us to remember, maybe we are controlling too much. Maybe we are wanting my will to win, not God's will to win. But today, just like the leper, trustingly asking the Lord, "If you wish, you can make me clean." Then anchoring our will to God's will, we win the battle. If too much controlling of this will, we tend to see our losing streak. We trust God's will so that we can see wins, our own triumphs, our healing, and our victory. But we remind ourselves, too much of control, too much of taking it for our hands. We see how we will lose, and we see our own defeats when we do not embrace the best will, and such is God's will for our life.